South African influencers, they are in trouble, guys. It is alleged that Mihlali Ndamase, she owes SARS 580,000 rands for income tax. Even SARS, it also said that if she doesn't pay, they're gonna try to auction her assets. Why can't you just open a business account so that the money that you are receiving, it goes straight to the business account instead of your personal account? And I've seen that Mihlali Ndamase, she also has an organization. She has this organization, it's called Siyasizana Foundation. But it seems like like, what the fuck? I didn't know that South African pastors, they are pedophiles. We have pastors and preachers that are pedophiles in this country. Pastor Sabata Mariti was sentenced to 55 years in prison for raping children in church. I get it why now people are no longer going to church. How many pastors are there that are doing the same thing? It's only a matter of time where they're going to be exposed. Now we can't even trust our siblings to go to church by themselves because there's the devil in the house of the Lord. Maybe we gotta sign a certain petition somehow of bringing back the death penalty for certain crimes. Monique Muller, the ex-wife of Katlego Maboe, was arrested for possession of firearms that are illegal and stuff like that. And those illegal firearms, some of them, they are linked to police and political killings. I so wish that Katlego Maboe can fight for a full custody on the children. She's putting the kids in danger. What if Monique Muller was the one who's abusing Katlego Maboe? And then she tried to turn the table around. Most of our generation is depressed. And if you ask why are you depressed, most of these people, they are only complaining about money and not having a job. But I'm like, most of this depression, it comes from jealousy and envy. Stop being jealous about other people's success. Stop. You see all those influencers having designer bags, living a fancy lifestyle, they are owing SARS. You see that? So now you are idolizing bullshit. Just be okay with the little that you have. That's all I can say, man.